welcome back to my channel. My name is Krutika Ziman. Hope you all are doing well. Also, festival season is over. Wedding season chalu hai. It's okay. But coming back to winter season, I thought of styling one turtleneck t-shirt in 6 different ways, which consist of like formal or semi-formal looks. You can say it's semi-formal too. And then casual and some sporty. So without wasting much time, let's get started. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are new to my channel, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. So without further ado, let's start. Thank you for watching whole video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments which look was your favorite, and don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll meet you next Friday. Tab tak take care, stay home, stay safe.